Electroplating hairdryer water ion household high power air supply with Foral fragrance 220/110V hot cold wind hair dryers is $143.16 with 48% discount applied. If you click the product information link in the detailed information, you can directly check the price, detailed information, recommendation information, and purchase reviews. You can also check related recommended products by clicking the View More Related Products link. For recommended products for overseas direct purchase, start at Junglo.